So good afternoon guys. Today I am in the allotment and today I'm going to see what happened now to our vegetables and flowers because I was working for 3 days and now I want to check it. It's hard to talk when you're walking. So let's see. So there. Flowering. You can see that. All the plants are flowering. Nice raised bed over there. Yeah. And the raspberries, I'll show you. This is not ours, by the way. Look at that. Plenty of fruit. Ooh. They are black when it's ripe. Tomatoes, looking good. Wow. Lovely. There's people who already on the table. Let's go and explore. Hollyhocks. That's perfect. Oh, so look at this little flower. So this is our flower bed. Look, there's plenty of little flowers. And this is what you call cornflower. Starting to flower. And my sunflower gone massive. Look at that. Because we had 3 days of rain, so everything shoot up. Wow. Amazing. Tomatoes, look, flowering. And the cucumber, it looks like it's growing. And this one is unbelievable. The one I planted a week ago. It's gone mad there. Look. Huh? Already flowering. The beans and the cherry tomatoes over there. Wow, the sweet corn and the celeries. Huge, becoming huge. This was planted late, so it's still small. But this one, already has that is green peas already having fruit. Wow. The eggplant, one eaten by the slug, I reckon. But there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Doing well. And the cabbages here. And the courgette. Today, again, I'm going to get courgette if there is. So, I'll do that in a minute. Wow. Pumpkin. Raspberries. And the raspberries over there. There is like 2 or 3 eaten by the bird. Look. I eat one. Very sweet. So everything grow massively. Potatoes, courgette. Oh, someone eating the courgette. I think it's better to take it. Rat, maybe rat. Yeah, it's good. Carrot, onions, you can see the bulbs already poking. Wow. And this is one of the, look, just 3 days ago I took some lettuce out of here and now look at that. Have grown so quickly. But I'm not going to take today. Wow. Yeah. Good, good. So let's get some parsley. They're already grown. I'll put in my salad. Ah, look at that. Oh, a lot of leaves now. They have grown so massive. Parsley is good. It's good for the kidney. Yeah, look at that. And vitamin C as well. Oh, yeah, enough. Nice. So these sides are not ours, but I'm going to show you as well. Look, there are houses on the sides, and in the middle is the allotment. So this is comprises of maybe 150 by 1,000 or 800 square meter each. So it's quite a big area. Look at that. Yeah. Some people stay here and eat their lunch and eat their food here. Stay the rest of the day. Looking good, that one. So we're going home now. So we're back now in the house, and I'm going to show you my garden because the lilies are in bloom now. So come on. So we are in the garden. These are the roses side, and here on this side are the one I was talking about. Look at that. Look at these pretty lilies. So I just started with 4 bulbs, and now it multiplied. Look, and I have a very nice scent as always. Oh, bees love it. But this one, this stamen, this pollen, when you is a thing, when it catches you, it will mark the clothes. See? So be careful. And look at that. Look at that. Very nice. And there's also in the front. I'll show you. Let's tour around. Yeah. That one in here, and there in front of the porch. Look, massive there. It's not open yet, but some will open soon. Look at that. Very pretty. And here as well. Yeah. And that side. And hydrangea is in full bloom. Look at this. Very beautiful. And I'll show you the hydrangea. It's different. So I'm going there in the hydrangea. Oh, raised bed. It's here. Look at this. Massive flowers of hydrangea. So I trim it, and now it become very massive or bushy. Look at that. But I will not open all. It's just like this. Very nice. Very nice. And it started with this, a branch. I just asked the neighbor to give me one, and then I planted here. Look at that. So I maybe grow some more next time when it's not no flower, or when the flower is over. Really pretty. So here on the hanging wall, on the wall, look at the tomatoes. They have grown also massively. Look at that. And this is the one I bought from the thing. And I bought that gerbera and it died. I don't know why. So I leave it. Look at this. And this one is the other kind of hydrangea in full bloom. Look, full petals. Look at this. Next year I'm going to move this in the soil. It's only on the pots. There. And the one I planted in the baskets. There you go. And on the wall also, my fuchsias. Really pretty. Full of flowers. There's no flowers is more than leaves. Yeah. Very pretty. I use also the bags of compost, so I don't have to buy a liner. Wow, perfect. Really nice. So last year we have the here dahlias all over, but because they didn't grow, they died from the frost. So I will plant roses here, maybe 2 more roses over there and 2 here. So will be roses garden. Yeah, there are the roses already here and there. And I will plant one more here. So I have cuttings, so I'll just move. I plant it there. So don't have to buy. Yeah. Look at this wall. And this is a what do you call this? Wisteria. This will grow on the wall, and this cherry tree will be our shade. Lovely. I grow this from seed, and it's big, huge. So hopefully we'll have a shed over this side, and I'll put some chair here in this decking. Isn't it nice?